In this video, I'm gonna make this space just a little more usable. And we're gonna do it right now. So this is my little basement stairwell area that has a little bit of storage, and I just wanna make it a little better. So the first thing is, it's really dark in here. I wanna be able to turn on the basement light right here and have it turn on a light here. So I'm gonna add a light so I can see everything in here. And the big thing is to make this all usable shelving. Right now, it's not bad, but one thing I did do, if you follow my channel, you might remember on the other side of this wall is the bedroom, and I added a load-bearing wall that took the weight off of these studs, so I can rip all those out and gain about 2 or 3 inches back to that wall. So I'll have wider shelving. And if I open this right here, you can see there's more shelving, but if you look up underneath this wall here, that's how far back I can go. And from here up is all wasted space. It's all empty. So I want to do shelving throughout that whole thing. Another thing that I did during those series of videos, if you remember, I cut out this floor and raised this up to gain more head height. So this is actually ready for insulating for sound and to drywall. And the rest of it is just rip off all the old paneling, all the old drywall, whatever's behind it, put new drywall, finish it, paint it, do shelving, and just make it more usable. This is part 1 of a series of videos. I'm just going to show you how I did the demo in this one. And the first step is to get rid of all this stuff so I can start tearing it apart. Set my ladder up so I can work on the ceiling. Oh yeah. Ew. Remove all these cover plates. This is live, so I'm going to be careful. All this is live. You can smell old house instantly. Looks like I might have to reroute some wiring. The wall was built after. Nope. Nice ceiling tiles. Those were tested. Don't worry, guys. They were tested when I did that room. Yeah, that needs to be taken down and restrapped because that is not secure. I mean, the wallpaper is amazing. Am I right or am I right? Look at all that empty space. the old load-bearing wall, 2x3. I don't know what I'm gonna do here. I don't know yet. This stuff right here is the sound and fire insulation for the bedroom. New framing, 2x4. This stuff is great. It really works well for sound. I shut this power off right here. Just gonna loosen this. Don't hit the wires. Okay. Now I can take this paneling off. Maybe I'll try and break this in half. I can tear this drywall out. Doesn't seem like there's any weight on that. Shouldn't be, because I raised this up a pretty good amount. Cellulose. And now the strapping, since that's not doing anything. Sealing down ever so carefully. I don't know where to start. How about right there? New insulation that I put in there. So what I'm doing now, which I'm sure I did because I had a whole plan before, is just triple checking to make sure that these go all the way before I take all these studs out. And they do. There's no break. They're not cut over this or anything, so good to take these out. That wasn't hanging on by much. Oh, look at that. I tried. me take that right out of there. That's embarrassing. Thought I left it so it could come out. Aha. I think I just tucked all my leftovers in there. So I turned off the oil burner and the basement lights so that I can take this wall down and not have any issues here. Hopefully. And I also have screws into the paneling back here, so I'm going to take this switch out. Probably going to have to redo these boxes and the wiring. Might as well while I'm doing this. Not live. Okay, I should be able to get this paneling removed. It's going to come down in one big sheet unless I cut it, which is what I want to do. Cut that through. Don't try that at home if you have a bad back like I do. More drywall. Wow, one big piece. There's the chimney. Yep, I'm gonna redo all this. I'm gonna temporarily install this stuff. Just temporary. Now I'm going to flip those breakers back on. Take this bottom plate off. I'm going to cut it right here, even with these studs. Yes, I am using this for demo. I love that tool. Cool. Okay, the demo is done, all down to the studs, just like all my other remodels, so that I can make sure there's no issues behind the walls. If you look here, this old shelf, you can see how much space I gained. That was where the wall was, so this was probably about here. So I'm going to be able to go all the way back here, probably gained about 4 inches. Also, all the wasted space up here, probably 3 or 4 feet. I can add shelving. It'd be good for like bulk paper towels or toilet paper or whatever you want to store in here. And I think it's going to be great because it's going to be nice and clean. You're going to open this door. You're going to have all this storage to do whatever you want with. So I have to do some wiring and some nailers, prep for some drywall, but that is for another video. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Run away, Lauren, run away. Ow. Where do we go from here? Hi. Bless you. Ooh, Spidey. Get back here. This sawzall. Gotta go all the way downstairs for that. Ugh. What a pain in the ass. Well, that didn't work very well. That was kind of dumb. Ah!